Welcome to our geometry series. Today we are exploring spheres. You see them every day, from the balls used in sports to the planets in our solar system. But what exactly defines a sphere in mathematics? Let's dive in. In geometry, a sphere is a perfectly round object in three-dimensional space. The formal definition is simple yet powerful. It is the set of all points that are exactly the same distance from a fixed point. This fixed point is called the center. To understand spheres, we need to know three key terms. First, the center, which is the middle point. Second, the radius, represented by the letter r, which is the distance from the center to the edge. And third, the diameter, represented by d, which is the straight line passing through the center from one side to the other. The diameter is always twice the length of the radius. It is important not to confuse a circle with a sphere. A circle is a two-dimensional shape, meaning it is flat, like a drawing on a piece of paper. A sphere is a three-dimensional object, meaning it is solid and takes up space, like a basketball. Spheres are everywhere in nature and human creation. Sports balls like soccer balls or basketballs are spherical. Planets and moons are roughly spherical due to gravity. Even soap bubbles naturally form spheres because it is the most efficient shape for enclosing air. If you wanted to wrap a sphere in paper, how much paper would you need? This is called the surface area. The formula is 4 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius squared. Interestingly, this is exactly 4 times the area of a circle with the same radius. Volume measures how much space is inside the sphere. For example, how much water a water balloon could hold. The formula is 4/3 multiplied by pi multiplied by the radius cubed. Notice that for volume, we cube the radius because we are dealing with 3 dimensions. If you slice a sphere, the cut edge forms a circle. The largest possible circle you can get is called a great circle. This happens only if your slice passes directly through the center of the sphere. The equator on Earth is a perfect example of a great circle. A great circle divides a sphere into 2 equal halves. Each half is called a hemisphere. The prefix hemi literally means half. On Earth, we have the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere, divided by the equator. Let's recap what we learned. A sphere is a 3D object defined by a center point and a radius. Its surface area is 4 pi r squared, and its volume is 4/3 pi r cubed. Remember terms like great circle and hemisphere, as they are fundamental to understanding spherical geometry.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.